Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, your windshield washer pump does not work. When you try to spray the windshield to clean it, it doesn't work. Stay with us, we will explain where that pump is located, how to get to it, how to replace it guys. So all that will be covered in this video today. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So we have that 2013 Hyundai guys, okay, Sonata that we will demonstrate on. Now, let's explain now. If you want to disconnect your bumper, you have only one bolt here and you can pull it out of the clips, but you don't need to do any of that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because otherwise it will be impossible for us to show you. When we have the bumper installed, let's install the bumper. Let's just put it on. I want to show you something guys, where that pump is located. So when we get the bumper in, okay, right here we need to go on top. Okay, the bumper will be installed on the car, right? If you come right here underneath guys, okay, through right here you can access the pump, okay, or you can access through the fender liner. Let me show you first through the fender liner, okay, and you will see these two spots. You can access everything and you don't even need to remove the bumper. And right here it's your pump. You can see, you can access it. But what we'll do, we'll just pull it out. We have it disconnected so we can show you with a great detail where things are, because otherwise it's almost impossible, okay, for us to show you guys with a great detail. Perfect. Okay, this is it now. This is where your pump is located. The other wire is going for the sensor that detects the level. One thing that you need to do, press right here, okay, and you need to disconnect the wiring harness. Right here on top you have one clip guys, okay, and that clip, you can see we need to get a screwdriver to actually go ahead and pry it a little bit up so we can pull the pump out. So okay, almost out, perfect, you can see it came out. Now we need to hold a container because it's going to leak fluids. Let's go ahead and see if we can disconnect the hose. Careful not to break it. That goes to the windshield guys. Okay, it didn't leak out of here. Now right here it will be stuck. That's where the seal is, so you need to just grab, move it a little bit and pull it out, and this is your pump guys. You can see that's how you remove it. Replacement, practically exactly in reverse order we took it apart. Now you need to check your seal to make sure it's not leaking. You can actually buy a replacement seal if you need to, but that's how you guys do it. Not very complicated at all. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with that. Hyundai Kia uses the same pump. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.